Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about oranges, and this is part 2 on my two-part series on tips and ideas for using oranges. It was a long list, so I divided it up. And if you haven't seen part 1, I've got a link to it below. If you're only juicing oranges, why not zest them first and then save that zest to be used later? You can just pop it in the freezer in any way or measurement that you want. Use your frozen zest within 6 months and it'll be perfectly fine for you. Now for a little bit of conversion rates in case you need it for the sake of a recipe. 1 pound of oranges is about 3 medium oranges, and that'll give you about 1 cup of juice, about 1 to 1.5 cups of orange sections, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of grated orange peel. Hopefully that'll help you out somewhere. 1 medium orange will give you anywhere from 1/3 to 1/2 cup of juice, 10 to 12 segments, and 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of grated peel. Why not add orange segments to your favorite green salad? We actually do that a lot, and it's delicious. Try making a simple snack or even an easy dessert by layering your favorite yogurt with orange segments and some oats or granola. And if you really want to dress it up, you can drizzle that with a little caramel sauce for an added touch. You could also make a simple fruit salad with orange segments, diced apples, sliced banana, red grapes, and maybe sprinkle a little bit of coconut on the top. And top it with 2 or 3 tablespoons of unsweetened pineapple or orange juice and toss it to combine, and that'll help to keep the bananas and the apples from turning brown on you. But anyway, we do that sort of thing all the time, and it's really delicious. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.